Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Outlook. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot global home and go to Settings. You can do this by clicking the gear icon right here. Once you're in Settings, click on General, then select Email. Next, you need to connect your inbox. Click on Connect Personal Email, then select Connect Your Inbox and input your Outlook email. It's worth noting that connecting your Outlook inbox to Hubspot allows you to log emails automatically, track opens, and manage all communication directly from Hubspot. This can help streamline your sales process, save time, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. You can also customize sync settings, choose which folders to track, and set up notifications so you're always updated on important messages. Testing the connection after setup is a good practice to make sure everything works properly. From there, choose Microsoft Outlook. Even if your Outlook account is labeled differently, it will still work. After that, review what to expect and click Continue. A new tab will open, prompting you to sign in to your Microsoft Online account. Sign in, log in to your account, and allow Hubspot access to your inbox. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.